Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Pero ituloy tayo lahat and samahan natin si Titang kumanta ng happy birthday. Alright. Wait lang. Content creator, dapat ulitin. Para naka-video. Ayan.
Video ko sila yung mga bumaba.
Alright, ready? 1, 2. Energy!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Gemma, in 3, 2, 1!
Happy birthday! Go, go!
Ay, glow na yan!
Ma!
Okay, glow na yan! Let's make a wish! Yes! Firebender!